So good morning, class. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your home and be safe. Okay. So I am Pooja Sharma, your science teacher. Welcome to the online classes of Lyall Public School. So student, we had discussed or running in our chapter number 2, that is teeth and digestive system. Okay. So today we will continue this chapter. In this chapter, we had already discussed about types of teeth, structure of tooth, how to take care of our teeth, and the process of digestion. Clear? So let's start now. Healthy eating habits. First healthy eating habit is always chew the food well. Second is eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. Healthy रहने के लिए आपको हमेशा balanced diet eat करना है. Balanced diet means the diet that has contain all the nutrients in right amount. Okay, nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, along with water and rough waste. Okay, that is a balanced diet, and eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. Next is eat fruits and vegetables every day, because fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Okay, and vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. Okay, so eat fruits and vegetables every day. Drink plenty of water, because water is also play an important role, okay, in our digestion. Next point is always wash your hands before and after meal. Okay, जब भी आप अपना meal eat कर रहे हैं, food eat कर रहे हैं, okay, तो आपको food eat करने से before and after अपने hands को properly soap and water से wash करना चाहिए, because hands पर आपके bacterias हैं, germs हैं, dust particles हो सकते हैं. Okay, so always wash your hand before and after meal. Next, fill in the blanks with correct word. So let's start. First one is, we should brush our teeth twice or once daily. So our correct answer is twice. Okay, in the morning and at night. So we should brush our teeth twice daily. Second is, the process of digestion start in the mouth. Okay, we had already discussed about that. The process of digestion start in the mouth. Okay, and in the mouth, teeth chew and grind the food. Okay, and a liquid called saliva mixes with the food. Okay, that make the food soft and moist. Third one is, liver produce a digestive juice called bile. Okay, जो liver है वो एक digestive juice produce करता है जिसे हम bile कहते हैं. Okay, that help in the digestion of food. Next, fourth one is, feces pass out of the body through the anus. Okay, feces means जो solid excretory product है हमारी body का, वो anus के through हमारी body से pass out हो जाता है. Okay. Next, fifth is, we should chew our food well. Okay, हमारे जो food है उसे हमें properly chew करके slowly हमें उसे चबाकर धीरे धीरे खाना चाहिए. Now, our next topic is microbes. So there are many kinds of living things in and around us, and these organisms differ in their size, shape, and color. You all know about that. Some of these can be seen with the naked eyes, but a large number of microorganisms are very small and can only be seen through a microscope. Okay, हमारे सराउंडिंग में चारों तरफ बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं जो कि शेप, साइड एंड कलर में एक दूसरे से क्या करते हैं, डिफरेंट है. ओके, सो बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं जिन्हें हम अपनी नेक्ड आई से, मींस हमारी खुली आंखों से हम उन्हें देख सकते हैं. ओके, but a large number of organisms are very small and can only be seen through a microscope. So the organisms which are too small to be seen by the naked eyes and can be seen only through a microscope are called microorganisms or microbes. Okay, So what are microbes or microorganisms? Microbes are very tiny living things and they cannot be seen through naked eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. Okay. So here we discuss different types of microbes. Okay. And what are their importance. Okay. So microbes are of 4 types. Microbes are found everywhere. Okay. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat also have microbes. And microbes are live alone while some are found in colonies. Okay. कुछ जो microbes हैं या micro organism हैं वो alone रहते हैं, अकेले होते हैं, बट कुछ ऐसे microbes भी हैं जिन्हें हम colonies या फिर group में भी found करते हैं. Okay. And microbes are found everywhere. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat also have microbes. And several microbes remain on the surface of our body, in our intestine, nose, mouth, etc. Okay, हमारे जो body के ऊपर, okay, surface पर and हमारे body parts में भी microbes होते हैं. Okay. And we are fortunate that some microbes found in our body are harmless. Okay. And हम fortunate हैं, भाग्यशाली हैं कि हमारी body में जो microbes present हैं, they are harmless. Okay. वो harmless हैं, हमें कोई भी harm, नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते हैं. Okay. Some of them are even beneficial. Okay. उनमें से कुछ हमारे लिए beneficial भी हैं. So there are 4 types of microbes, that is bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Okay. So first we start with bacteria. So bacteria are single-celled organisms that are vary in shape and size. Okay. See in the picture. Bacteria जो हैं वो single cell organism हैं and they are vary in shape and size. Okay. Different bacteria का shape and size different हो सकता है. Okay. And these are found almost everywhere. Okay. In the air, in water, in soil, in food product, and also in the bodies of other living organisms. Okay. ये water में, air में, soil में, okay, food products में and other living organism की body में भी bacteria present होते हैं. So first we discuss some bacteria are harmful and they can cause diseases. Okay. So some bacteria cause diseases like typhoid and tuberculosis. Okay. Germs हैं and ये diseases को क्या करते हैं? Spread करते हैं. Okay. Now second one is fungi. So some fungi cause skin diseases like ringworm and athlete foot. So some fungi are plant-like organisms that do not contain chlorophyll. Okay. And they may unicellular or multicellular. And fungi cause skin diseases like ringworm and athlete foot. Now, next one is virus. Virus can also cause diseases like polio and common cold. And virus are a living or non-living thing. Okay, it's a both kind of organism. Okay, they grow and multiply only inside the living cells of a plant or animal, and they cause some diseases like polio and common cold. Next one is protozoa. So some protozoa cause diseases like malaria and dysentery. Protozoa are also simple, minute, unicellular microorganisms. Okay. So some viruses cause diseases like polio and common cold, and some protozoa cause diseases like malaria and dysentery. So these all are microorganisms or microbes and they cannot be seen through naked eyes. Okay, इन्हें हम open eyed से, naked eyes से नहीं देख सकते हैं. They can be seen only through a microscope. Now, uses of microbes. Some microbes are also useful for us. So first one is some microbes are used to make bread and bun. Okay. So microbes help to make bread and bun, like yeast is a fungi and a single cell. Okay. And it helps to make bread and bun. Next one is some microbes are used to make curd from milk. कुछ जो microbes हैं वो milk को curd में convert करने में भी help करते हैं. Okay. So lactobacillus bacteria help in the formation of milk product. Okay, such as curd and cheese. Okay. Lactobacillus एक bacteria है. Okay, type of bacteria that help in the formation of milk product. Okay, milk से curd and cheese बनाने में लैक्टोबैसिलस जो बैक्टीरिया है वो हमारी हेल्प करता है. Now some microbes help in decaying of dead plants and animals. Okay, some fungi and bacteria also act on dead bodies of animals and plants. Okay, वो dead जो plants हैं या animals की जो bodies होती हैं उन पर वो act करते हैं. Okay, and convert various complex organic compound into simpler inorganic substance. Okay, and bacteria help in recycling of matter. So उन dead plants को की जो body है या animals की body है उन्हें decay करने में, rotten करने में जो bacteria हैं वो help करते हैं. Okay, microbes. Now let's memorize what we had discussed in this chapter. First we had discussed temporary teeth. Okay, so the first set of teeth in a child is called temporary teeth or milk teeth. Next one is permanent teeth. So the set of teeth that takes the place of milk teeth is called permanent teeth. Okay, ऐसे जो teeth का set जो milk teeth का place लेता है, okay, उसे हम permanent teeth कहते हैं. They are 32 in number. Now next one is enamel. The outermost white part of a tooth is called enamel. Plaque, a yellow sticky layer formed by the germs on teeth is called plaque. Okay, we had discussed that microbes or microorganisms are present everywhere. Okay, सब जगह present होते हैं. And जब भी हम कोई sticky food item खाते हैं, okay, जो food products हैं खाते हैं और हम properly meal eat करने के बाद में अपने mouth को properly wash नहीं करते हैं, clean नहीं करते हैं, तो क्या होता है वहाँ पे जो germs हैं वो grow करने लगते हैं. Okay, and आपके teeth पर एक yellow sticky layer form करते हैं जिसे हम plaque कहते हैं. Now next one is digestion. So the process of breaking down of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Okay, जो food है उसका simpler substances में break down होना ही क्या कहलाता है? Digestion कहलाता है. And ये break down होना क्यों important है? Because जो food हम eat करते हैं वो उस डायरेक्टली हमारी बॉडी उसे एज इट इज सच एज यूज नहीं करती है. ओके, तो हमारे फूड को पहले सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस में ब्रेक डाउन किया जाता है, उसमें कुछ डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस मिक्स किए जाते हैं उस फूड को, देन उसमें से हमारी बॉडी को जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स का रिक्वायरमेंट है, वाटर का रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, उसे हमारी बॉडी एब्सॉर्ब करती है. ओके, सो इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? डाइजेशन. Now next one is microbes or microorganisms. So very tiny living things that can only be seen with a microscope are called microbes. Okay, so microbes और microorganism है, बहुत ही small living things होती हैं जिन्हें हम naked eye से, open eyes से नहीं देख सकते हैं. Okay, they can be seen only through a microscope, and microscope is a machine through which we can see microbes. Clear? Now let's revise. Human beings have two sets of teeth, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. There are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canine, premolar and molar, and they are different in shape and sizes. Okay, and on the basis of their function there are 4 types of teeth, that is incisor, canine, premolar and molar. And incisor used for cutting and biting the food, canines used for tearing food, and premolars used for crush and chew the food. And last one, that is molar, are broader than premolar and they also help in chewing and grinding the food well. And there are 8 incisors 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars in a set of permanent teeth. Next point is a digestive system consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, liver, large intestine and anus. Okay, हमने जब digestive system डिस्कस किया था तब हमने डिस्कस किया था कि many organs हैं जो कि फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में टुगेदर वर्क करते हैं. ओके, एंड ये ऑर्गन मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं? दीज ऑर्गन फॉर्म अ सिस्टम कॉल्ड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. ओके, सो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम क्या कंसिस्ट करता है? माउथ, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, liver, large intestine, and anus. And the last point is bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa are 4 types of microbes. Okay, and microbes are very tiny living things. They can be seen only through a microbes. Okay, a microscope, and microbes or microorganisms are found everywhere. Okay, and some microbes are useful and some are harmful. Now, next I am going to question answer related to chapter number 2. Okay, so here we discuss question answer. Okay, if you have book, then please open your notebook and book. So first question is tick the correct answers. How many permanent teeth are there in an adult? So options are 32, 16, 20, and 22. So our correct answer is 32. If you have book, then please tick the answer 32. Okay. Which of the following is not a type of tooth? Options are crown, incisor, canine, molar. So we all know that incisor, canine, and molar are types of tooth. Okay. So here our correct answer is crown. It's a part of tooth. Next question is how many molars are there in the upper jaw? So options are 12, 16, 6, and 8. And our correct answer is 6. There are 6 molars in the upper jaw. Question number 4 is the hardest substance in our body is. And options are crown, root, dentine, and enamel. And our correct answer is enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Now next, question number 5. What carries food from the mouth to the stomach? Options are esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, and liver. Okay, तो माउथ से स्टमक में फूड को कौन कैरी करता है, कौन लेके जाता है? सो आवर करेक्ट आंसर इज esophagus और food pipe. Now here are some dictation words that are related to this chapter. First one is dentine, microbes, digestion, grinding, temporary, permanent, tearing, microscope, cavity, diseases, plaque, and stomach. Okay. Now, next question number 3 is fill in the blanks. So first one is we should brush our teeth twice daily. Second is the process of digestion starts in the mouth. Okay, जो digestion का process है वो कहाँ से start होता है? Mouth से. Now question number 3 is liver produces a digestive juice called bile. Okay, जो digestive juice है bile उसे कौन produce करता है? That is liver. Now question number 4 is feces pass out of the body through the anus. Question number 5 is we should chew our food well. हमें जो food है हमारा उसे properly च्यू करके ईट करना चाहिए. क्लियर? Now next, question number 4. Write true and false for the statement. First one is bacteria cause diseases like malaria and dysentery. So this statement is false because bacteria cause typhoid and tuberculosis. Okay, malaria and dysentery is caused by protozoa. Okay, so this statement is false. Next, question number 2 is microbes can be seen through a microscope only. So this statement is true. Next, question number 3 is we should chew the food well. So this statement is true. हमें अपने food को अच्छे से chew करके चबाकर खाना चाहिए. Question number 4 is bile makes the food soft and moist. So this statement is false because who make the food soft and moist? That is saliva. Okay. When saliva mixes with the food, it makes the food with moist and soft. Okay. So bile is incorrect answer. So here we write false. Now next, question number 5 is we should drink milk every day for healthy teeth. So this statement is true. Okay, because milk में calcium present होता है जो कि हमारे teeth को क्या करता है? Healthy and strong बनाता है. Now next, question number 5. Write one word for the following. First question is how many types of teeth are present in human beings? So our correct answer is 4. Second question is which microbes cause diseases like typhoid and tuberculosis? And our answer is bacteria. Okay, bacteria can cause diseases like typhoid and tuberculosis. Question number 3 is which teeth are used for cutting and biting the food? And our answer is incisors. Question number 4 is which is the largest part of our digestive system? And our correct answer is small intestine. Okay, small intestine is the largest part of our digestive system and it is about 6 meters long. Next is how many premolars are there in the upper jaw? And correct answer is 4. Okay, upper jaw में कितने premolars present होते हैं? 4. Now next, question number 6 is name them. So teeth that help in tearing the food are canines. Okay, teeth जो कि food को tear करने में, small bites में उसको convert करने में help करते हैं, that are canines. Next, question number 2 is a yellow sticky layer formed by germs on teeth is plaque. Esophagus is also known as food pipe. Next, question number 4 is the process of breaking down of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Next, question number 5 is temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth. Now, next, question number 7 is name the following. Question number 1 is 4 types of teeth. Okay, so that are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Next one is type of microbes. There are 4 types of microbes that we had discussed in this chapter, that are bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. Next, question number 3 is 2 sets of teeth, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Now come to next, question number 8, that is define. And define, first one is temporary teeth. So the first set of teeth in a child is called temporary teeth or milk teeth. Second is permanent teeth. The set of teeth that takes the place of milk teeth is called permanent teeth. Third one is enamel. The outermost white part of a tooth is called enamel. Fourth is plaque. A yellow sticky layer formed by germs on teeth is called plaque. Fifth is digestion. So the process of breaking down of food into simpler substances is called digestion. And last one is microbes. So very tiny living things that can only be seen with a microscope are called microbes. Now come to next question number 9, that is differentiate between. First is differentiate between temporary teeth and permanent teeth. So temporary teeth is the first set of teeth in a child is called temporary teeth or milk teeth, and the set of teeth that take the place of milk teeth is called permanent teeth. Second difference is there are 20 temporary teeth in a child and there are 32 permanent teeth in an adult. Now come to next question number 10, that is answer the following question. First question is what are milk teeth? So by the time a child is about 2.5 years old, he or she has 20 teeth. So the first set of teeth in a child is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. Okay, चाइल्ड में जो फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ टीथ होता है उसे ही हम मिल्क टीथ या टेम्पररी टीथ कहते हैं. Question number 2 is what are permanent teeth? So the set of teeth that takes the place of milk teeth is called permanent teeth, and there are 32 permanent teeth in an adult. Okay, milk teeth का जो place लेते हैं उन्हीं teeth को हम permanent teeth कहते हैं. They are 32 in an adult. Okay. Now question number 3 is what is digestion? So the process of breaking down of food into simpler substances is called digestion, and many organs work together to digest the food like mouth, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine, liver. Okay, they all organ work together to digest the food. Now next question number 4 is name any 4 organs involved in the digestion of food. Okay, food के digestion में involve, जो food के digestion में help करते हैं, हमारा digestive system make करते हैं, बनाते हैं. Okay, तो आपको 4 organs के name यहाँ पर write down करने हैं, that are mouth, stomach, liver and small intestine. Now question number 5 is what are microbes? Name 2 diseases caused by microbes. So microbes are very tiny living things. They can be seen with the help of a microbes. Okay, microbes बहुत ही छोटे small living organism होते हैं and we can see them with the help of microscope. And 2 diseases caused by microbes are typhoid and polio. Now come to next question number 6. Give the uses of different types of teeth. We had already discussed about different type of teeth that are incisors, canine, premolars and molars. Okay, तो यहाँ पर हमें different types of teeth के uses बताने हैं कि कौन सा जो teeth है उसका क्या function है. So incisor help in cutting and biting the food, and incisors are 8 in numbers. Okay, there are 8 incisors, 4 in each jaw. Next one is canine. Canines help in tearing the food. Okay, and they are sharp and pointed teeth present on the both side of the incisors. Okay, and there are 4 canine, 2 in each jaw. Next one is premolars. Premolar help in crush and chew the food, and there are 8 premolar, 4 in each jaw. And the last one is molar. Molar help in chewing and grinding the food well, and molars are broader than premolars, and there are 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. Now next question number 7 is list 3 ways that help us to protect our teeth. Okay, आपको कोई भी 3 ways बताने हैं जो कि आपकी teeth को protect करने में help करते हैं. Okay, there are many ways, but we can write over here only 3. Ways to protect our teeth are brush your teeth twice a day in the morning and at night. Okay, आपको twice आपके teeth को brush करना है morning में and night. Second is avoid eating too many chocolates, sweet and sticky foods. Okay, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा chocolates, sweets and sticky food को अवॉइड करना है, ओके, ईट नहीं करना है उसे, बिकॉज जो स्टिकी फूड आइटम्स होते हैं वो आपके टीथ पर स्टिक हो जाते हैं, चिपक जाते हैं आपके टीथ में जाकर, एंड अगर आप प्रॉपरली अपने माउथ को, अपने टीथ को क्लीन नहीं करते हैं तो क्या होगा, इफ टीथ आर नॉट क्लीन प्रॉपरली, जर्म्स कैन ग्रो ऑन देम एंड फॉर्म अ येलो स्टिकी लेयर कॉल्ड प्लैक, ओके, तो जर्म्स वहां पर हो जाते हैं एंड एक येलो लेयर बनाते हैं, एंड दीज जर्म्स चेंज द शुगर प्रेजेंट इन फूड पार्टिकल इनटू एन एसिड, एंड व्हाट इज द acid act, the acid attacked the enamel and make a hole called cavity, okay, तो जो acid है ये आपके enamel पर अटैक करेगा, ओके, एंड आपके टीथ में एक होल या कैविटी क्रिएट कर देता है, ओके, सो अवॉइड ईटिंग टू मेनी चॉकलेट्स। नेक्स्ट इज ड्रिंक मिल्क एवरी डे फॉर हेल्दी टीथ, ओके, बिकॉज मिल्क में क्या होता है, कैल्शियम प्रेजेंट होता है एंड कैल्शियम मेक योर टीथ स्ट्रॉन्ग। Now question number 8 is draw a well labeled diagram of digestive system, okay, so ये digestive system का diagram है जो आपको अपनी notebook में जब आप अपना work complete करेंगे then आपको इसको भी draw करना है, clear? So students, I hope you all understood about our chapter number 2. If you have any query, any doubt, any question, you can ask me, and tomorrow is our interaction class, okay, related to chapter number 1 and 2, okay, so chapter 1 and 2 से related कोई भी आपके doubts हैं, questions हैं, वो हम कल की class में discuss करेंगे. Till then, take care of yourself, stay at your home, and goodbye.